Out here in Kerville at VFW Post 4180, the headquarters for Team Josie Search and Recovery. Exciting things are happening today. We have world-class divers that are here to help us search. Not only world-class, we have forensic divers. Forensic divers who specialize in finding remains in the water. Now, I want to tell you guys, some parts of this river are about 20 to 60 feet deep. Other parts look like it's flat ground, but guess what? It's mud, and there's stuff underneath there. So today, we're going to be looking around, and we pray to God that we are able to bring somebody home today. But under the leadership of Dario and Mario, my team leaders on the ground, I have 150% faith. We started this operation literally on Sunday, and we've turned into a multi-agency disaster response team. So it's by the grace of God that we've been blessed with this opportunity, and today's going to be a wonderful.
Go ahead, man. You mean I gotta go?
Yeah, I think you might want to get on board before it goes too far. You're the pilot, right? You're the ship captain.
When did you have time to do that?
Yeah, no shit. So everybody's clear on that. It's there?
There.
Good job, bud. Good like you've done that. So
just embrace it, you're going to make it. Dreams come true, you just got to chase it. When it's your time to shine, you can't waste it. Stay on the grind and you will taste greatness. Just embrace it, you're going to make it. Dreams come true, you just got to chase it.
When I feel like stopping, I remember my goals. The vision's clear, is what keeps me whole. This ain't just a workout, it's a war with myself. Every victory I claim is for nobody else. The weight's getting heavy, but I stand my ground. I lift it up high and I don't make
got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't about. These are the moments we live for. Once in a lifetime, everything we want and more. This is the start of a new day, the good life. Ooh.
That's my team, that's my team. Loyalty over everything, that's my team, that's my team. From the bottom where we grinding, that's my team, that's my team. To the top where we shine.
You'll always be my home, my heart. I'll be with you wherever you are. My home, my heart. What's up? I'm out here with the VFW Kerville, here for the disaster relief efforts, and we are doing the thing over here. We are grilling up burgers, sausage links, jamming the tunes. We even got us a massage chair over here. We're massaging people, first responders and sheriffs.
having a good old time.
Well, what do we have here, baby? Oh, we got them grilled peppers on the griddle. Yeah, we got the spread going, guys. We got the massage chairs and massage table going. Got the cadaver dogs out. That's right, we're out here at the BFW Kerville, and we got tons of supplies coming in right now. Check it out. Look at these 18-wheelers. We got several 18-wheelers in a row parked, ready. All right, we are complete with our first Friday, a whole week since last Friday, late night, July 4th weekend, when the floods came in at 3-4 in the morning. And we had a successful day today. Finishing up with some of the last of the volunteers, giving them some much needed massage therapy and rejuvenation after the long, hard day. Yeah, and we're about to pack it up for tonight. Got my truck here, loading it up, and another great day. We met a lot of great people today. We had an interview with the Weather Channel, so we made it on national news. It was just an amazing energy here the whole day.